re le mokgatlo wa EFF mo Bokone Bophirima le mo Africa re go kwane yana go tla go supporta mo president wa rona ha tsweletse mo tseleng ya tsamanya gore wa attenda court of East London. Mo nakong ya jaanong mo presidente ba mo sentencitse gore a ye tronkong for dijara di le 5 a ye tronkong for dijara di le 2 mo countong e nngwe mme mo dikauntong tse di le 3 gote a patale madi a kana ka 20,000 for each count di le 3. jaanong re le mokgatlo re tsweletse go tsweletsa gore re appeal sentence e le gore e tswile mo letsatsi la jaanong gore appeal president a ifiwe so that a gone go applyela bail mme a batla e gana re tla tswella re ya ko khotong ye ko golwane ya high court gore re applyele teng leave to appeal gore a gone go kreya bail a tswelle pele ka golwanela baagi ba rona. Fighters, what we are requesting you to do is let's remain disciplined. Let's allow the law to take its course. We must not find ourselves causing more problems for the organization. We must remain disciplined and allow this process to run and conclude. We are not leaving today before the commander-in-chief leaves that court. He must come and join us in campaigning for the EFF. He must come and join us in rallying South Africans behind the banner of economic freedom in our lifetime. Now, that can only be achieved through discipline. Manta, viva EFF, viva! Viva Julius Malema, viva! Viva Julius Malema, viva! Long live Julius Malema, long live! Long live Julius Malema, long live! Fighters, just to explain quickly, gore relax, right. We must explain gore the magistrate in the East London Magistrate Court denied the president an appeal on the conviction but granted the appeal, leave to appeal on the sentencing, meaning o extendile bail ya president. That is why we are told gore the president is with us. But the magistrate did not say the president is not guilty. And we all know that the president is not guilty. So the fight in the courts of this country is continuing. We'll hear from the leadership the same way we communicate. We'll communicate the same way on the new date where the president is going to appear before the magistrate court on the submission of the documents that leave to appeal. We'll continue to inform you gore wa go appeara leng in physical go court.
Amandla, no fighters, re rata go le leboga for Kgotla, like PS said, latla le disciplined, and most importantly, young people, those that were expecting that we are not going to be disciplined, we are. And we have demonstrated time and time again that as young people of this country, we know the fight and we are not going to allow white monopoly capital to redefine this revolution for us. So I'd like to thank you very much, fighters, and keep on being disciplined, but don't forget to register to vote. Let us go and mobilize young people in institutions, in high schools, and make sure that we take out this government, the government that is afraid of the system that continues to suppress us. So fighters, in solidarity with the president and the commander-in-chief of this country, we are saying as young people who are convening here, we are going to make sure that these pink people, they must see us that we are happy that the president is coming back with us and he'll always be out, and we are thankful. And we are thankful to the legal team that was behind the commander-in-chief, and we have shown them that black people, time and time again, they are capable. Amandla!
Why we are pleased, it's because people had the opportunity to protest, to make their statement, and on our side, our mandate is to ensure public order, and we met with the leadership beforehand. We've agreed in terms of what the terms of this gathering would be, and they've adhered to it, and as you've seen, they were very disciplined, and we are pleased that now that everything is over, they left as agreed, and the community was in no way disturbed. It's within the precincts of the courts and a lot of other facilities, but there was no disruption, and I think generally everybody is happy, as we are.
We understand this journey as imperialist, capitalist, pursuing an agenda of economic freedom in our lifetime, not to be realized in our lifetime. And there's nothing more. Once you get the Oval Office speaking on such issues of our country, you must understand that we have touched the nerve that is not touched. And we are happy as the EFF that things are starting to change and the world is starting to listen to our call as the economic freedom fighters.
We are so disappointed by the system that they target leaders that boldly speak about economic injustices, those that speak about land injustices, those that speaks about young people that are oppressed. We know that Julius Sello Malema, from his years of the Youth League, he has always been bold about redistribution of land and uncolonized education. And we do believe that we, as the youth command of the EFF, we have a generational mission to make sure that we are going to deliver and usher that freedom. Amandla.